kumshi benta ban ai man sim shu shu bat penshulu ya ki we ki samla ha hi kam ile kai sports ki khana school barim jong nativity higher secondary school alumni association hapo ka jing alam jong uba kin pham kharling do ubadi president menta sngi ka khasan thrik unai tung 1000% klayo ban Pynkupburom ya ka samla ban ri honding do hapo nativity higher secondary school makarwat southwest khazi hills district kumanchukudo ka samla ban ri honding do khat news nam karta kade ka badang puli ha ka class 9 hapo nativity higher secondary school makarwat bat kade ka samla ka balayo ban Khur Artali ki Takma Ksiar ha ka Lumpung National Armwrestling Championship 1000% kabla penlong daga Kerela Armwrestling Association ha ka ni sngi la sakhilang nadu principal ka nativity higher secondary school u father Alphonsius Walang ka sister Sabina Mauyong headmistress Samla Downing Star Marwen ba kodor khalingdo kinong hikai lambat ki khana school.
Very proud to announce before you, the student, that Bandri Hun back 2 gold medalists in the national championship held in Kerela in Armwrestling. So we feel very proud about her and we wish her good luck in the future, and especially we wish her to do well in the future, to do and practice well, so that we will see you in the other stage, and not only in the national. We also would like to see you in the international stage, so that each one of us we will feel proud as we gathered here today. So I request our fellow alumni students to come forward to facilitate her in front of everyone, all the students gathered here, and the teachers and sister, headmistress and the principal. So I request to facilitate her. First the flower. We would like to welcome. We would like to, it's as a sign of traditional, so we give her one pig and the Changer India and small token as a sign of help from the Nativity Higher Secondary School Alumni Association. So this is just a small token that we have given to Miss Bandri Lingdo. This is just a small token, but from our heart we express deep gratitude, and we express our gratitude to you, that you will shine day by day, and we should work hard day by day, and remember this thing, that in every field that you are taken, you have to work hard every day, and you have to work hard from deep down from your heart, so that you will shine more in day by day. So from the Nativity Higher Secondary School alumni, once again we would like to express that this is just the beginning, and we are very proud that I think from the school, this is the first time, I think, in every field, in the sport, I mean, that Bandri Hun brought these 2 gold medals as a proud to the school, and at the same time also for the Southwest Khazi Hills district, Mokurwan. So once more I would like to request each one of you to give a round of applause.